Hey guys, welcome to code tutorial. The topic we are going to cover today is how to take input in C programming. Alright, so this is our topic for today, how to take input in C. Everyone knows like what is input, some data that the user will give. Okay, that is what input, right? And then we will process some data, or the system will process that data, and then you will get the output, right? Like whenever you are using calculator or anything, so what you do, you give the input 2 plus 4, then the machine do calculations for you and give you the output 6, right? So this thing is called what? Input. All right, so we are going to learn today is like how we can take input in C programming. All right, as I already told you that what we have basically is we have all the functions for output, means for showing output on the screen. I have printf function, right? And similarly for the input, in order to take the input, we have the scanf function. Okay, that is scanf. All right, so scanf is a function which is used to take input from the user, right? Now what I am saying that it is used to take input from the user. Now input can be of any data type, okay, but obvious you are taking a data and the data will be of any data type, like it will be integer, or it will be a float, or it will be a character. Fine. So how we can take the input, like I want to take the integer value or the float value or the character value. For that we have the particular things as we did in the printf. Similarly, this is the scanf, which is the inbuilt function. Again, inbuilt functions are the functions which are given by the language itself, so that you can use them directly. Okay. So over here what they are saying that the scanf is a function in which the first parameter will be the specifier, basically you can see. So for integer we have %d, for float we have %f, and for character we have %c, right? And this is a thing, means we are going to take one integer type of input, then a comma, and then where you want to take the input. So I am saying I want to take the input in suppose I have a variable, let us create something like int_a. So I want to store that value at a, so you need to write ampersand, that is basically means that at the address of a. Okay, always remember that you need to add this ampersand in the scanf, but there is no need of that in the printf, because at that time we are not writing in the memory. All right, so whatever the value user will type, right, that will come inside a. If the user give the integer value, then it's fine. If it give the character value, then it will take its ASCII value. Okay, and what is this ASCII value and all, we will see later. And similarly the same thing, in order to show it on the screen, we are going to use our same printf. So number is, and I want to say at this place some integer will come, so like this, and then a comma and the value variable, so this one. All right, so this is a thing. Fine. So what we are going to do in this lecture is we will create a variable, very first thing. After that we will take input in this variable from user. On that basis we will perform the calculations. and after that we will show the output. Okay, so the program we are going to do today is age. Enter your age and we will simply show your ages this years, and then a program to find the sum, multiplication, divide and difference of two numbers. So these are the two programs that we are going to cover today. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now in order to do this practically, let us go to our Dev C++. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so here we are at our Dev C++. Now file, new, and which kind of file I want is C file. So I always prefer that just save the file first. So file save is using input dot C, or here you have the multiple options, so just add dot C. Okay, and you can choose the location from here, whatever whenever you want to store. So just save it. Now the very first thing is we need to import the header file. So hash include and stdio.h. Okay, and then our main function, our entry point, so int main, and since our here the return type is int, we need to return something, so simply I will return an integer value 0. Okay, now we know how to declare the variables, so let us declare some variables a, b, c and age. Fine. So for the first program, let us say to the user that printf enter your age. Fine. And after that we want to tag the input. So I will apply what scanf. Which type of value I want to tag is integer. For that I am going to use %d, where I want to use at the address of age. Alright, now I want to simple message. That's not a meaningful thing. We just need to be familiar with the code. So your age is %d, means in the place of %d the value of age will come, and years, right, comma age. So the age value will come at the place of %d. Now let us execute this one. So here you can see it is saying enter your age, printf function is done. Now scanf is waiting for the value. Suppose I give the value 8. Okay, now what it will do, your age is %d, in place of %d the value of age, which is 8, so 8 years. Alright, so this is how we can tag the simple input. So this is the very first example. Now suppose I want to do all the calculation like plus, minus, divide, multiply and show their values, right? So for that I will show you how you can tag multiple inputs using the single scanf. Okay, so I will say enter two numbers, and to make it readable I will change the line over here, so it will ask for the input in the next line. What I want is I want to take two integer type of values, so %d and %d. Always remember, don't give any space or something over here. Okay, otherwise it will give you some garbage values. Now where I want to store it, %a comma %b, means the first value will come in a and the second value will come in b. Now let us say c is equal to a plus b. Since c is a variable, we can change its value again and again, right? So I will print the message sum is, and the value %d. What I want to show? C. Right, and let me put a slash n before and after it, so that every time there is a line change before and after it. After that, what we want is the subtraction. So a minus b, because the value of sum I already used, I don't need it as of now. So subtraction is this. Then what you want to do is multiplication. So c is equal to a multiplied by b. Over here you will type multiplication is, and then you want c is equal to a by b. Okay, it is an integer, so it will give you the complete number. Fine. So over here you will give division is, and always remember for division we have this sign. You are not going to use this sign. Okay, this is a mod operator and this is the division operator. Fine. So let us execute this one and see what will be the output. First of all, it will ask us for two values. See, enter two numbers. Then scanf is asking for two values. So let me give the first value 12. Now it is asking for second value, that is give 2. Now you can see sum is 14, this line, subtraction is 10, multiplication is 24 and division is 6. Fine. Now see what happen if I give any character values in place of that, right? Like at this time I give the proper value 12 and 2, but what I want is someone can come and give r. So what is this? Sum is 1, subtraction is 1, multiplication is 0 and all this. Okay, so you need to take care about the things. So that is why we are giving the data types. I hope this is clear. If you are good with it, you can make the programs like how to find simple interest. Okay, convert months to year. All right, and any other thing like simple mathematical operation, plus minus divide multiply is done. If you want to find the square of a number, or how you will find the cube of a number, all these things you can do with these simple things only. No extra concept is needed. All right, I hope this is clear. Try to make this program so that the things will get clear to you. And always remember that logics are the thing that you are going to make. Not only me, but any one of the trainer can teach you the syntax, but by practice your logics will get built. Okay, so for that, do practice. If you have any doubt, you can ask me freely in the comment box. Thank you.